Now you will be wondering that why have I applied this triput today. Uh, the funda is that today we are going to talk about this ash, the holy ash. First is, what is holy ash? As per the Vedic scriptures, Upanishad and the Tantric scriptures, there are various types of ash which are considered as holy ash. Specifically, the ash which is made from the cow dung cakes, and this is the yagikundhup that we use, and the vibhuti that we get out of it from this yagikundhups is very powerful, is very, very, very powerful. Even a pinch of this ash is more expensive than all the wealth of this world. So how do we use it? First is this, you must have seen many people applying this 3 lines of white ash or black ash. What happens is that your intelligence opens up by using this ash. The other types of ash are, the sage grass. It's very powerful, and all the thorny cactus plants which are intoxicants, but that plants can be only used after burnt in a specific temple and energized with specific mantras, etc., or else you can't use that. And third type of ash is the ash of the cremation ground of the dead body. Human dead body is burnt, that ash, but that also has a lot of negative effect in it. You don't know how to use it, you don't know how to remove the negativity, so I will suggest that you don't get into those ashes. So only ash which is left is the Yagikundhups ash. Now when you apply this triput, you will see that your intelligence increases, memory increases, you can understand difficult topics with great ease. Secondly, you will also understand that your memory, your intellect and your brain power has suddenly increased. Your three nerves, main nerves in your body, Ida, Pingala and Shushumna, left nostril, right nostril and both the nostrils, central nostril, they have control over your brains. When your left nostril is working, your right brain is working. When your right nostril is working, your left brain is working. When both the nostrils are equally working, then both the brains have been stopped and the small brain starts working. There is always a conflict in between your left brain and your right brain. I want to do this, I don't want to do this. I want to do this, I want to do that. I want to buy this, I want to buy that. So this conflict will end by putting this triput. Your left brain, your right brain, your small brain will be in harmony with each other. After that, it has also been seen that your kundalini rises with ease, and if the chakras are blocked, they will also be opened if you apply this vibhuti on all the chakras, starting from Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Agya. Shastra is not a chakra, but you can apply little vibhuti here. You can apply various vibhuti on various chakras over here, on your neck, on your chest, on your solar plex, on your stomach, on the side of the stomach, below your armpits, on your arms, on your wrist and on your shoulders. On your shoulders you will apply it like this. And if you have any internal problem, stomach problem, you will apply it on all the chakras. Apply more on Manipur and also put little bit in your mouth. You can have it. Then take quarter bucket of very, very, very hot water and put 3 to 5 fistfuls of salt, aroma salt in it, which we have taught you how to prepare it in level 1. And then you put your legs inside this bucket and let it be there till the water does not become absolutely cold. In this period, you can watch TV, you can do your mantras, you can read some books, you can read your newspaper, you can read good magazines, whatever you want you can do. You can be busy on your phone also. You can watch our episodes on YouTube also. And once the water is cold, all your health issues will be resolved. All the negativity from the aura will be removed. all your chakras will become active. If someone has tied up your chakras, if your chakras are blocked by negativity, whatever, they will be cleansed, they will be moving, and they will be moving clockwise and correct. So there are immense benefits of using this ash. We will be telling you more in the coming days, or maybe in the second level and third level. So be connected, and understand well, and don't throw away the ash. It is very, very, very priceless, expensive thing. So you can't afford to throw away this ash. Okay? Hari Om Tat Sat.